Welcome to M4Markets. In this video, we'll take you through the necessary steps to register an account with us. Visit our website and click Open Account at the top right. To register with M4Markets, you simply need to fill in a form which provides us with some essential information about who you are. It takes less than 1 minute to register. Start by choosing if you are an individual client or a corporate client. If you will be trading on behalf of an organization or a company, you are a corporate client. Otherwise, choose individual. Next, you will need to fill in some details about you, including your title, full name, and date of birth. Keep in mind that we will need to verify your profile, so your name and date of birth should match your passport or ID. You will then need to tell us where you are registering from. Choose your country of residence and keep in mind that we'll need a proof of address to fully verify your profile. The next two pieces of information we'll need are your contact details. You will need to verify your email address, therefore please make sure there are no typos. Lastly, choose a strong password. It should be a minimum of 8 characters and contain a combination of Latin characters and numbers. Don't forget to go through our client service agreement and privacy policy before you submit your registration. You can read them by clicking on the links and then click on the tick box to proceed with your registration. That's it! You've completed your registration. Congratulations! Don't forget to verify your email by entering the confirmation PIN you have received in your email.